If you've been searching for how to download Photoshop for free, let me save you a lot of time and confusion right up front. There is no legal way to permanently download the full desktop version of Adobe Photoshop for free because Adobe uses a paid subscription model. But the good news is, there are still legitimate ways to access Photoshop at no cost for a limited time or use a free alternative that works in your browser without installation. In this video, I'll show you the safest official option, explain exactly how the free trial works, and give you the key step you must remember so you don't get charged. If this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first and most direct option is the official Adobe 7-day free trial. This gives you access to the full desktop version of Photoshop, so you can test the software before deciding whether it's worth paying for. To begin, open your browser and go to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, use the search bar or the navigation menu to find the Photoshop product page. Make sure you're on the real Adobe site and not a third-party download page, because you always want to avoid unsafe or unofficial installers. When you reach the Photoshop page, look for the button that says Free Trial. Click that, and Adobe will take you through the trial setup process. At this point, you may be asked to choose a plan tier. Don't panic if you see payment information here, because the trial does not charge you immediately. However, this is the part where you need to pay attention. If you do not want to continue into a paid subscription, you must cancel before the free trial ends. Next, Adobe will ask you to sign in. If you already have an Adobe ID, you can log in with that account. If not, you'll need to create one first. This account is required to activate the trial and manage your access. After that, Adobe will guide you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app is important because it manages Adobe software installs, updates, and trial activation. Once Creative Cloud is installed, it will automatically download and set up Photoshop on your computer. After the installation finishes, launch Photoshop from Creative Cloud or from your desktop if a shortcut was created. You should now have access to the full desktop version for the length of the trial. This is the best legal way to use Photoshop for free if you want to explore the real software, test features, or finish a short-term project. It's especially useful if you want to learn the interface before committing to a subscription. Now here's the most important part. If you decide you don't want to be billed, you must cancel the plan before the 7th day. A lot of people forget this step and end up being charged automatically. To avoid that, sign in to your Adobe account dashboard and look for your plan management or subscription settings. From there, choose the option to cancel your trial or subscription. Make sure you do this before the trial period expires, not after. That way you can use Photoshop during the free period without accidentally entering a paid cycle. If you're looking for a no-install alternative instead, you can also use a web-based editor that gives you free access without downloading the full desktop app. This is a great option if your goal is simple editing, quick design work, or testing Photoshop-like tools in the browser. While it won't fully replace every advanced desktop feature, it can be a practical choice if you just need something lightweight and free. So to recap, the safest legal way to get Photoshop for free is either the official Adobe trial or a free browser-based alternative. There is no permanent free desktop download, and the most important thing is to use official sources and cancel on time if you do not want to continue. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.